DIY easy paper-made frame for your home decoration. Here are the materials needed. 1. Make a rectangle. The measurement must be 8 inches height and 3 inches width. 2. Paste both ends using glue. Paste the other side too. Do it on others too. And make sure to make more if you want to create more frames. 3. Attach each stick to each other. Make sure to use to stick per frame. 4. Cut the edges of the stick. 5. Create a petal. The size must be minimum of 2 by 2 inches. You can make a lot of these if you want to. Make sure to cut it carefully so that you can't get hurt. 6. Create a sunflower disc. Cut a strap of paper and roll it to make a circle. You can make a design under the roll to create a realistic look. 7. Paste the disc using glue. 8. Paste the flower using glue gun. Here is the final look. Do not forget to like, share, and subscribe. Hey you, have you heard about Temu? Well, it is like Amazon, but the products are a lot more cheaper, like toys, beauty products, and more. Download the app by clicking the link below. Or just download it on App Store or Play Store and put the code FM78 for 11 to get $100 voucher.